Hola.
Hola.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. Hola.
Hola.
This is local people.
Yeah. Oh, it's so humid.
Yeah.
What is the cost to build a house like this?
For construction, it's more expensive if you make
Yeah.
than if you sell. Example, if I want to buy this house, actually with 2,000 American bill, I can pay. But for construction right now, about the material cost, almost is around 3,000-4,000 right now.
Okay.
Because the iron is expensive right now.
Yeah.
The cement is expensive too. But now, I want to buy this small one house, maximum 2,000 American bill. In Cuba it's more expensive, one car than one house. Maximum if the people, the owner of the house, want immigrate. He sell the house with everything inside.
Yeah. Just to get rid of.
But everything. And at the end, you can find for 20,000, 25,000, 35, 30,000, a big house. 2 floors, 4 rooms, 2 bathrooms, terrace, small one swimming pool, you know. You say, oh my God, it's incredible. You want to buy a new car? It's 40,000, 80,000, a truck.
It's half the price.
Okay, you come here.
Okay.
Buenas tardes. Te sorprendí. Póngaseme bonito que estoy haciendo un video
Banana
promocional
backyard,
del negocio y del mío. Así que vine de sorpresa. No hay que preparar fruta, no hay que preparar nada. No, es un video promocional. Vamos a trabajando con...
Hola.
Hola.
How you doing?
He's the farmer. Dale, ¿tú hablas inglés?
Ricardo,
Ricardo.
welcome to my house.
Thank you.
My name is Ricardo. Un placer.
Ricardo is a farmer, local farmer in the area, and regular we tried to show the reality of the farmer life in our job, right? Everything is here is included. You don't need to pay. You don't need to. Sometimes the tourists come here, give some tips or present, principal for care animals, something like that. And the principal offer to here is not the principal offer. The principal work is to show the reality of the Cuban farmer life. Here we can test in different kind of fruit, tropical fruit, real coffee, Cuban real coffee. You don't like,
No.
but real coffee times, to show the life in the region. Here we find different kind of animals, right? Principal chicken in the forest. And in the afternoon until 4-5 o'clock, the animal, I don't know how, but the animal know what time it is to eat, and they return alone at home. Exactly. Maybe, or they eat whatever they find in the forest, right? It's not easy to find the people. It's an African animal.
Oh yeah, peacock.
Yeah. Typical Cuban barbecue, the best one.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Why not? Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. It would. Yeah. Good job.
Look at that.
Ahí sí, mira, de
Oh, that's a big.
chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big piece.
This is a typical barbecue.
Good for them. I'm glad. Okay. Wow.
Sometimes when we have a group of customers and they want to make a small one barbecue with pork roasty,
Yeah.
with fish, lobster, we'll prepare some a special activity. We make a deal with him about the cost per person, and we'll pass a day here with drink, barbecue, you know, in the middle of the The farmer side. Sí, no te preocupes.
I like this banana backyard.
Ah, yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Well, here we have representation. For example, look at that. This is natural. Everything is natural. We don't use chemic. We don't use artificial flavor or something. This is the plantain,
Yeah. That's.
but this is banana.
Oh, okay.
And this is other one banana. In Cuba, actually, we have more than 12 different kind of banana.
Yeah, he says he's growing 6 different types.
Yes. Included, you remember the red one I told you before.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
red one banana, principal we'll find in the hills. Donkey banana,
Why is donkey?
because it's small and grows.
Oh, okay.
Like donkey. I show you here the flower of the banana. One flower is one banana. Ah, this is guava. Guava.
Okay.
Guava. Look at that. Yeah.
Oh, it's already there. Yeah. Cool.
Granada. Palm fruit.
That's very good fruit.
Yes. It's amazing.
Yes. Cool.
It's very nice for
Very
for soft
expensive.
drink. For
Very
soft drink.
expensive.
For soft drink, it's delicious. Very fresh.
Lemon.
Yeah. Lemon. Actually, he have more than 7 different kind of sugar cane plantation.
Big surface.
Yes, all of this terrain is the farmer.
Take a picture, please, of this electrical solution.
Ah, yeah. You see?
I don't want to talk about.
No.
It's 220, so this is 3-phase. It's 400 volts.
Yes. And
You know what?
if you, yeah, and if I show you the connection in the house, you cry
I believe
because don't have any protection. Believe me,
I know.
don't have any protection.
This is crazy.
In my house, the worker government electricity when he give a ticket.
Yeah.
All the time he say, I know in this house is electronic engineer because everything
proper.
is perfect, right?
Oh no, fell down.
No, it's okay. When the banana big grow up like this,
That's not
the
important.
farmer, the farmer shoots
Okay,
here.
okay.
because don't need it.
Yeah, very big flower.
Yeah. What happened? Each flower. This is the cover. This is the cover of the flower, and this is the real flower. But one flower is one banana.
Oh, okay.
You can find here more than 200 bananas. So in Canada,
Like lemon?
like lemon, like orange.
Yes.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Come on. I'm gonna show something. Checking the original avocado in the farmer area.
Oh my God.
Look at that. So
Okay,
bigger.
That's huge.
So bigger.
That's huge. Picture's not gonna show it.
That is crazy.
It's a real bigger.
Big.
I'm more bigger than this. I want to show you in the other side. I have the plant with other kind of avocado. It's more bigger than this. This is very important for the farmer.
Water.
Exactly. This water is mineral water. He make the family.
He dig out.
Exactly. After, for comprove if the water is ready for to human use,
Yeah.
he need take a little bit and get to the laboratory, and they give a certification for.
Avocado.
Baby,
No, that's
small avocado, similar to Canada. Similar.
Yeah.
No. The avocado in Canada is like lemon, like this.
Oye, tengo bastante mango, piña, lo que deseen comer, mira, mango, piña, aguacate, caña de azúcar.
A lo
Toma.
mejor ahorita probamos un coco. A lo mejor,
Pélale caña.
A lo mejor ahorita
Estoy-
probamos un coco.
No, no es para qué, no es para matar a nadie.
I can. This is the principal instrument in the farmer side.
Yeah, I know.
The machete.
Yeah.
Knife, big knife or machete. Usually when you get in the farmer area, you use that because you can find a good fruit or whatever. You can clean, you can eat, you know.
You have to fight tigers.
Well, in Cuba, I told you, the most very dangerous animal is the girls. You lose everything. He don't need too many sugar because he have a bean on honey.
Oh yeah, okay.
He producing everything.
Yeah.
If you want to make a coffee, he put honey. What happened? This honey is better than the honey in the market. Why? The honey in the market pass for one process. Is separate the honey than the propulsion. This honey is natural.
Yeah, it's just
They included propulsion,
Okay, yeah.
included any minerals, any vitamins, right?
yeah. They hate
Example, this is the mint. But this mint is not for mojito. This is other variety of mint. This mint, when you are a stomachache problem,
Oh,
you can make infusion and you drink like infusion and it's perfect.
That smells really nice.
Yeah, it's delicious. It's real. The infusion of this mint is real delicious. For fever, this. The name is Caña Santa. Caña Santa is the name of this plant. Smile. Smile like citron.
yeah, different, very much.
Smile like citron.
Oh yeah.
When you have fever, you make infusion with this plant and the fever disappears very quickly.
Is it agave for tequila?
No! This is aloe vera.
Oh yes.
Looks like agave, eh? But no, it's aloe vera.
Very small one.
This is the aloe vera. Albahaca morada. Good for the food. Principal for steak.
Everything is kinda
It's aromatic.
aromatic, similar smell.
Yeah.
Similar.
Dile que firme.
Very safe. Feel him.
You want to be actor? Huh? Okay.
Okay, come on. Come on.